I am standing in front of a 3-bedroom villa which is fully renovated in the beautiful village of Anogyra, just 15 minutes from the sea and in a very quiet village, traditional village that has so much to give from the Cypriot tradition and the traditional Cypriot lifestyle. The villa is sitting in a 500 square meters plot and it's just amazing. As soon as you enter the house, there is a spacious living area, the bathroom downstairs, and a massive kitchen. Beautiful pool area with a nice breeze. Here is the kitchen, big, spacious, nice earthy colors. A guest toilet and a bathroom that it will be used from the bedroom as well. Big bedroom with fitted cupboards. And 2 big and suite bedrooms on the first floor.